Good morning, students. This is my fourth lectures on the topic planning in sports. In last lecture, we have discussed about the knockout tournaments and how to draw the fixture in a knockout tournament. Today, we discuss about consolation tournaments. What is consolation tournaments? When we are organizing a knockout tournaments, sometimes what happen, some good teams are get eliminated in the first rounds and they will not get chance another chance to play in the regular tournaments. So to give another chance to that teams, those who have out in a first round from the knockout tournaments, it's depend on the organizing committee whether they are willing to organize a consolations tournament or not. Means कि ये टूर्नामेंट उन टीमों के लिए है जो नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स के फर्स्ट राउंड में अपने मैचेस लूज कर जाती हैं और टूर्नामेंट से बाहर हो जाती हैं। तो इन टूर्नामेंट्स टीमों को जो है वो कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट्स कंडक्ट करते हैं और उसमें हम कंसोलेशंस विनर एक अलग निकाल लेते हैं और एक रेगुलर टूर्नामेंट्स जो चलता रहता है, रेगुलर टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है उसका विनर हम अलग डिसाइड करते हैं। ये कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट्स जो है वो दो तरह के होते हैं, टू टाइप्स ऑफ कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट्स। फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट्स वो टूर्नामेंट्स है जो जिसमें सिर्फ जो फर्स्ट राउंड्स में टीम नॉकआउट में बाहर होती हैं, ओनली दैट टीम्स आर प्लेइंग इन अ first type of consolation tournament. For example, if we are having a 9 teams in a regular knockout tournaments, so then 9 teams are there. Then and if we draw the fixtures, then we have to give the 7 by, because the next power of 2 is 16 and 16 minus 9 is 7 byes, and we put the first by to team number 9, second by to team number 1, and third by to team 6, and fourth by to team 5, fifth by team number 8, sixth by team number 2, seventh by team number 7. So according this we have put a by on the regular knockout tournaments. अब suppose that in first round only one match is there, team number 3 and 4 are playing, and टीम नंबर 3 हैव लूज देयर मैचेस। तो जो टीम नंबर 3 जो मैच लूज कर गई, ये टीम नंबर 3 जो है वो कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट्स में चली गई। और बाकी ये जो टीम्स के जो बाई दिए गए हैं, दे आर नॉट प्लेड अ फर्स्ट राउंड मैच इन अ फर्स्ट राउंड, बट दे आर प्लेइंग अ मैच इन सेकेंड राउंड, बट दैट इज देयर फर्स्ट मैच। वो अपना पहला ही मैच सेकेंड राउंड में खेल रहे हैं। तो फर्स्ट राउंड में टीम नंबर 3 जो है वो कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट में चली गई, और सेकेंड राउंड में नंबर 1 और 2 हैव प्लेड द मैचेस, टीम नंबर 1 हैव लूज द मैच, टीम नंबर 1 हैज गॉन टू द कंसोलेशन tournament. At the same 6 and 7 has played, 6 has win the match, 7 team number 7 has gone to the consolation tournament. Team 8 between team 8 and 9 has won the match and 8 has gone to the कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट। तो ये जो टूर्नामेंट जो टीमें अपना फर्स्ट मैच लूज करके रेगुलर नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट से आउट हो जाती हैं, उनके लिए हम कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। और बाकी टूर्नामेंट्स जो है वो एज इट इज़ रेगुलर राउंड्स में चलते रहते हैं, सेकंड राउंड, देन थर्ड राउंड एंड फोर्थ राउंड, एंड विनर हैज़ कम हियर फॉर रेगुलर टूर्नामेंट्स। दिस इज कॉल्ड द रियल विनर फॉर दैट टूर्नामेंट। और कैंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट्स में क्या होता है, वी कैन सी द टीम्स जो हैव लूज देयर मैचेज इन फर्स्ट राउंड, they come here in a consolation rounds. Like team number 1 has lose their match in first rounds, team 3, 5, 7 and 8. Then total number of team is here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams are there. If 5 teams are there, then number of by next power of 2 is 8, then 8 minus 5 is 3 byes are there. We have put a 3 by. First by goes to team number 8, second by goes to team number 1, and third by goes to team number 7. And here again in first round there is only one match is there. In this consolation round, Again, we follow the rule of knockout. The team, those who have lose their matches, they eliminate from the next rounds. मीन्स यहाँ जो टीम्स लूज करेगी कंसोलेशन टूर्नामेंट्स में भी, कंसोलेशन राउंड में वो टीम जो है यहाँ से बाहर हो जाएगी. तो सेकंड राउंड में टीम नंबर 1 एंड टीम नंबर 5 हैज प्लेड, टीम 7 एंड टीम 8 हैज प्लेड, एंड द विनर हैज डिसाइडेड हियर. टीम नंबर 7 इज बिकम अ विनर ऑफ कंसोलेशन राउंड्स. तो ये फर्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ कंसोलेशन राउंड्स था. मीन्स जो रेगुलर नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स के फर्स्ट राउंड्स के मैचेस या अपने फर्स्ट मैचेस लूज करके जो टीमें आउट हो जाती हैं, तो इट्स डिपेंड ऑन द ऑर्गेनाइजर वेदर ही दे आर गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ कंसोलेशन राउंड्स फॉर द फर्स्ट राउंड्स और फर्स्ट राउंड लूजर्स टीम, तो हम उनके लिए कंसोलेशन राउंड्स ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ कंसोलेशन राउंड्स में क्या होता है? In second round of consolations, in this types of consolation tournament, the teams defeated in all the rounds are given an additional opportunity to take part in the competition. Means जो फर्स्ट राउंड्स में टीम लूज की उनको तो हम एक एडिशनल चांस दे ही रहे हैं. सेकंड राउंड में जो टीम लूज करती है उनको भी चांस देते हैं. थर्ड राउंड में जो टीम लूज करती है उनको भी चांस देते हैं. तो see at here 8 teams are there in a regular rounds. So if 8 teams are there, then no need to give a bye. So in first round, all 4 matches are there, and 4 teams have lose their match. So 4 teams have came out, and the consolation rounds. See here, team number 2, 4, 6, and 8 have lose their matches in the first round. And they gone for the consolation rounds. And in consolation round, team 2 and 4 have played the match, and team 6 and 8 have played the match, and one team has one team from each matches coming for the second round. See here, number 2 has win their first match, and here number 6 has win their first match. And in regular knockout tournament, number team has won their first match and come for the second round. Here between 3 and 4, number 3 have win and come for the second round. Number 5 and win and come for the second round. Number 7 win and come for second round. Then number 1 and 3 is playing in second round. Number 5 and 7 is playing in the second round. Now here, number 1 has win the second round matches, and number 3 have lose their matches. The number 3 teams has gone for the consolation round, and between 5 and 7, 5 has win and 7 has gone for the consolation round. Now see here, in first rounds between 2 and when number 2 and 4 team has played, 2 has win and 3 came. Number 3 team has came from the regular round for the second round. The team number 2 and 3 have played here. Number 6 and 7 played here. And for the next round, 3 and 7 played together here, because here team number 1 and 5 is playing the final rounds, and team 1 has become a winner here, and team 5 has lose their matches. And here 3 and 7 played matches. 3 lose the match and 7 become the winner. So loser from the regular consolation tournaments and winner from the consolation rounds. Then they played again their matches, and the consolation winner has decided. In these types of tournaments, if the organizers are ready, then the 2 winners are decided in the same tournament. One is through the regular knockout tournaments. The regular winner has become, like here, a regular winner has become, team number 1 has become a regular winner, and the runners up of the regular round and the winner of the consolation round has played together and become a consolations winner. तो इस तरह से हम अगर चाहें तो हम बाकी टीम्स को मौका दे सकते हैं, if we have a time and sufficient arrangement and the organizers are ready to organize the tournament. तो हम इस तरह से कह सकते हैं कि एक नॉकआउट का रेगुलर टूर्नामेंट्स एंड द टाइप्स ऑफ टूर्नामेंट. Knockout tournament is a consolation tournament is there, and consolation tournament is also for 2 types. It's depend on the organizers. Now one main thing is there, if we are going to draw a knockout fixtures, we are putting some seedings. Seeding means seeding, we know that there are maximum chance for the teams, those who are good teams can clash together in a previous round, फर्स्ट राउंड और सेकंड राउंड. तो इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए हम सीडिंग या बाई देते हैं. knock on tournaments that the strong teams may be paired with the weak teams, or all strong teams might have been grouped in the upper half or lower half. ऐसी possibilities हो सकती है कि when we are drawing a knockout fixtures, all losers teams are paired in a upper half and all strong teams are paired in a lower half, or two strong teams pair with the in the previous rounds. And we know that if team has lose their matches, then there will be the teams will be eliminated from the regular tournaments, so they're out from the tournament. To avoid such a situation, seeding method is used. In this method, the strong teams are selected to keep them at appropriate place in the fixture for the selection of strong teams, and the organizer must be well known about that teams. Means when we are going to draw fixtures, I have already told we must be know the ranking of the teams, or we have to know the which team is strong and which team is loose. No. And the organizer must be know about the previous performance of the team. If two teams are to be seeded, if we are seeding two teams, suppose that we are having a 8 teams in a regular tournaments, and we know that these two teams, these particular two teams are very good, or their previous performance is very good, so we must be keep them in a upper half and lower half. If we know that the 4 teams are very good, तो हम एक टीम को, दो टीम को अपर हाफ में और दो टीम को लोअर हाफ में रखते हैं, और वही दो टीम्स जो अपर हाफ लोअर हाफ में रखते हैं, वी मस्ट बी केप्ट सेपरेट दैट कैनॉट मीट इन अ previous round. Before semi-final or quarter-final, they can't meet. Now, for examples, here 11 teams are there. Out of 4 teams are to be seeded. So if we are going to draw a fixture of 11 teams, and we know that the 4 teams are seeded, means 4 teams are good team, we can say that these 4 teams are very good in their previous performance, or they have a first, second, third, or fourth rank holders of the previous year. Then the 11 teams are there. The number of buys is 11, number of team in upper half is 6, and number of team in the lower half is 5. The number of buys, total number of buys is 16 minus 11 is 5. Then in upper half 2 buys and lower half 3 buys. The number of matches n minus 1, 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, and number of round is equal to 4, and number of total seeded team is 4. Now see where we have to put the seeded teams. 11 teams are there. If 2 teams we are going to seed, then 1 teams can put at the place of 11 number, and 1 team is placed on the top of the upper half. 4 teams are there. You can see here. In upper half, 2 teams are there. 1 seeded team is put at the 1 places, and the second one put at the bottom of the upper half. And in the lower half, 1 team has put the lowest team of the second half and top team of the first half. So they cannot meet in the previous round. Before semi-final, these 4 teams cannot meet. In upper half, these 2 seeded teams cannot meet before the semi-final. So we can put the seeding like this, and this seedings is a simple seeding. Suppose that if 11 teams are here, and we are going to give a 5 by, 2 by in upper half and 3 by in lower half, then the bye is given to the seeded teams, so they can get opportunity to play in a second round. Here also, all seeded teams are get the bye and one more team has get the bye, because in the lower half there are 3 bye and 2 seeded teams are there. So it is clear. Now special seeding is there. That is simple seeding, and this is a special seeding. Differences between simple seeding and special seeding is, simple seeded team is get a bye, or they can get an opportunity to play in a second round. If suppose that only 8 teams are there and 4 teams are seeded, then no buys is there, then the seeded teams can play in a second round. But in special seeding, we are giving opportunity to good teams, so they can play directly in the quarterfinal or directly in the semi-final. If 2 teams are getting a special seedings, be careful. If 2 teams are seeded, so they can play directly in the semi-final. And if 4 teams are seeded, they can directly play in the quarterfinal. Here are 20 teams are there. 20 players are participating in a table tennis tournament. And 2 players are seeded directly in the, sorry, 4 players are directly seeded in the quarterfinal. So you can see where we have to put the seeded players. It is just like a bye. First seeded player will be the bottom of the lower half, and the second seeded player will put on the top of the upper half. Third seeded player top of the lower half, and fourth seeded player bottom of the upper half. So 4 seeded player, that is put on the number 1, number 10, number 11 and number 20. So 4 seeded players are there. They are participating directly in the quarter final. And when we are going to draw a fixture of 20 teams, we can reduce the number of seeded players from the total number of team, total number of participants or total number of teams. Means 20 teams are there. 4 players are seeded in the directly in the quarter final. So 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Then 16 teams are playing in a regular tournament. So 16 is a power of 2. So there is no bye is given in the fixtures. See here. So there is no bye is given in any teams. And in the first rounds, there are, how many matches are there? 8 matches are there. In first round, 8 matches are there. And in second round, 4 matches are there. 2 matches in upper half and 2 matches in lower half. Then in third round, the seeded teams are came out and they come in the regular round, means quarter final. See here, the first seeded teams between team number 2, 3, 4 and 5, the winner has played to the in a quarter final with the seeded teams. So it's very clear, if there are 4 teams are getting a special seeding, they directly play in a quarter final, and if 2 players are seeded, they can play directly in the semi-final. Now here see, fixture for 11 players by giving seeding for 2 teams. 11 teams are participating and 2 teams we are going to give the seeding. So if 2 teams are get a special seeding, they directly play in the semi-final. Then the total number of team minus 1, sorry, total number of match is total number of team minus 1 is equal to 10, and total number of round is 4 rounds. टोटल नंबर ऑफ बाई नेक्स्ट पावर ऑफ 2. तो नेक्स्ट पावर ऑफ 2 हम कैसे फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? टोटल नंबर ऑफ टीम माइनस नंबर ऑफ सीडिंग टीम्स. Seeding teams are 2, means 11 minus 2 is equal to 9 and 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 buys are there. तो जब 7 buys हमें देना है तो how can we draw the fixture? And the number of team in upper half 6 and lower half 5. Here it is very clear. 2 teams are directly seeded for the semi-final. So first team can put on the bottom of the lower half and second team put on the top of the upper half. And rest teams are in the regular rounds. In lower half there are how many buys? 4 buys are there, and in upper half 3 buys are there. So according to system of the buy, first buy goes to the team number 10, second buys go to the team number 2, third buys goes to the team number 7, fourth buys goes to team number 6, fifth buys goes to team number 9, sixth buy goes to team number 3, and seventh buy goes to team number 8. In lower half there is no any match in a first round. Only one match is there in a upper half in a first round. After that, team number 2 and 3 are played together. Winner of 4 and 5 and team number 6 has played together. 7 and played together. 9 and 10 played together. Now in the next round, means third round, the winner of 2 and 3 and winner of 6 and 5, and here also winner of 7 and 8 and winner of 9 and 10, they can play together. And in the fourth round, that is called the semi-final round, the seeded team has entered in the tournament and they play directly semi-final. So students, this is a system of knockouts in the simple knockout tournaments, consolation tournaments, type 1 and type 2 both. It's depend on the organizers. And the seeding, simple seeding and special seedings. We can draw a picture of any number of team if we know the point, if we remember the points that we discussed in the previous lectures. If you are going to draw pictures, what point or key points we have to keep in our mind? That the total number of participating teams, total number of matches, total number of round, total number of team in upper half and lower half, total number of buy in upper half and lower half. अगर हम ये सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखेंगे और फिक्चर ड्रॉ करने से पहले इस सारी चीज़ों को हम अगर ध्यान में रखते हैं तो वी कैन डेफिनेटली ड्रॉ 100% correct pictures. Now in my next lecture we can discuss about the league fixtures. How can we draw the fixture in a league tournament and what are the methods and how we calculate the point in a league tournament for winners. Thank you.